Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can see print cost in Bambu Studio. So I'm going to create a new project and just put a very simple shape, which is going to be a cube. And basically from here, of course, you could make the changes that you want to from strength. If you want to add something like sparse infill, you could simply do so, but obviously this will increase the cost of your filament. But definitely right after adjusting everything that you need to adjust, you then want to click the slice plate option, which is going to be at the top corner of your screen. From here, this message will show up, so just make sure that you're inside the filament category. And from here, we could see the cost by navigating through this specific tab. So filament change times is going to be 1 since we only used 1, and the cost is going to be 9.63. But if you go ahead and simply adjust this and make it smaller, of course, it's going to be a way lot less. Let's click on slice plate, and now it's going to be 0.51. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.